guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty. So today is not going to be like a really long video, but I'm just like trying to like show you guys my my regular, almost irregular these days, facial routines, how to get your face like looking good all the time, looking smooth. So first of all, guys, I'm going into this lip gloss. Can't remember the name, but I'm sure going to check it out and drop the name for you. And this is in the shade Bronze Addiction. So guys, this lip gloss, I love it so much. It is more like a good lip gloss. So guys, this lip gloss, I love it. It has like mint in it, and this is so that the lips is like really secured, and whatever it is that we don't want disturbing the lips doesn't get to the lips. So next, guys, I'm going to be washing my face for this. So guys, this video is like the cheapest way you can get your facials done at home. So I'm going to go into warm water and I'm going to wash my face. So guys, I'm just going to dip my hands in the water and like so. So I already covered my hair. Let me cover it well. Okay. So, and I'm going to go into my bathing soap. So this soap, guys, is a papaya mix soap with a mix of honey and milk. It is so good. I love it for the skin. So guys, once the soap is drying off, like the water, I'm just like dipping the tip into more water. So although I just had my bath, but then this is like a necessary step that should also go. So in case you've not had your bath, that's why I'm just doing this step. I just had my bath, guys. So 1 minute. Okay, so guys, like the soap has dried on my skin. So I just realized that I left my face massage at the shop, at the spa, and I came with the heads and I left the machine there. So I'm doing this at home and I forgot so many things. I'm going to go old school and go into my face stone. This is really good and I've used it a lot in the past. So it is going to actually go deep and bring all the dirt out. So once I'm done, like I said, I did forget like a lot of things, and I also forgot wipes. I forgot so many things. I forgot to bring in my... So guys, I'm only using the things I have at home. So I've taken this napkin into warm water and I'm just going to wipe my face off. I'm going to repeat the process again. So guys, the reason why the water is warm is to open up your pores so that whatever it is that is going to go into the skin is going to get there. I added a little more hot water and I'm just going to so like I said, this is to open up the pores. So next, I'm going to wipe with a clean towel. So I know I'm supposed to make use of white towel, but I don't have white towel. So if you notice, the lip gloss is already fading off, and you need it there so that whatever it is that you don't need on your lip would not get there. So instead of it touching your lips, the lip gloss will begin to fade. So next, I'm going to go into exfoliating my skin, and I already did show. So for everything that I mixed, I'm going to be dropping like the full video in the link below. So guys, I did not bring my brush also. Like I said, the massage machine is, most of the things are at the shop and this is just me. So guys, I've like applied this all over my face, so I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. And babes, I'm going to pause the recording, and I'm going to, of course, wash it out with warm water. So guys, this is like basically honey, some cinnamon, and some sugar to, so the reason why I had sugar was like get a like deep you know, exfoliation, because it's been really long since I've done my facials. And babes, my period of course is coming, and this face is going to be scattered in like a week. Okay, so guys, this it is beginning to get like uncomfortable. It has stayed like about 20 minutes on my face, and I'm about to tear it down. So like I said, everything you would be using to take whatever it is we are using down should be warm. So I've gone into the warm water. So it is usually advisable to go like really careful. If you have a sensitive skin, please don't add sugar. So because I have a very dry skin, is why I added sugar, and because it's been like a really long time and I have a lot of dead skins. Everything we are using is edible and can be eaten. So off camera, I'm going to do a complete dip and rinse off my face so I can get all of these things off. So once again, I'm going into a clean towel to wipe off my face, and also make sure I don't have any residuals on my face. So guys, it is usually very advisable to clean your face. My clothes is wet already before applying the next thing. So next I'm going to apply my sugar scrub. So guys, I think I'll prefer using my hand for this. So my sugar scrub contains sugar, regular white sugar, and coconut oil. Like I said, everything I'm using is edible. Once I get to the parts that is not edible, I will say, but everything I'm using is edible. So guys, like, I'm really sorry. I was supposed to like list the amount I bought the things. So for the cinnamon exfoliation, I made use of cinnamon, sugar, a little bit of sugar, and honey. So you can get honey like this size for like about 500. You can get the cinnamon for this cup, the size, for about 500, and I've been using my cinnamon for a while. And you can get sugar for about this cup for 300. So, and of course, you're not going to use everything once. So for the sugar scrub, you can get about this size for about, like I said before, 300. You can get about this size of coconut oil for about 500. So that's it. And vitamin E extracts, so they are like vitamin E capsules, which I'm still going to be using at the end of the video. That costs like 59 per capsule, but I made use of the liquid one that is not in the capsule, because I prefer that one. I believe like does more wonders. So it is edible, but please don't eat it. So I want to go into washing it off. My face, I'm feeling like an irritation or something. So first of all, I'm going to like use this warm cloth to cover up my face, and then I'm going to like bring it down, massaging, but bring it down with the whole of the clothes. Okay, folding. Wipe off. So guys, you really need to be careful, because the sugar can like, because it's like stones, it can, I don't know if it can pierce your skin, but it would somehow be feeling like it is breaking your skin, so you need to be like really careful, especially in the sensitive areas, which by mistake it's got there. So I'm done with that. I don't need to rinse extra. So the coconut oil, you can see it leaves like, just going to like wipe off. So if I have extra sugar on my face, it leaves. I'm going to be going into this mask. So I'm going to be going in with this spatula or spoolie. So guys, please, as much as possible, try to avoid places that you have hair on, I beg, because it is going to pull off your hair. Oh, it is so cool on my skin. So guys, also avoid sensitive areas for this mask because you're going to be pulling it out of your skin. So if you notice that it has touched your brows, immediately with a damp cloth, wipe off your brows so that you will not hear super story at the end of the day. Wipe it off. So you can see this side that it is actually dry. So the more it's dry, it seems like it is close. It's not much here. I think. Oh, okay. Oops, that place is not dry. This side that you are seeing my skin is dry. So I turned on the fan because I'm hot. So guys, I know I kind of changed the color of the lights. So I'm going to be taking this off, and by taking it off, I'm going to look for a weak point from the edge. Okay, now I'm just going to peel off gently. Whoop. So this point is not dried yet, but that's like only points that do not dry. Okay, so I've taken off all the mask, and should in case yours have residue or it is not coming off, this is my hair. Just go into this cloth and with warm water wipe it all off. And there, and it is all going to come off. All. Ooh. So if you are scared of this getting clean, so the solution is just wash it in hot water and bleach. It will go off. So again, I'm going to wipe my face with a clean towel. So first of all, I usually like to go into this Kakatin cream. As cheap as it works very, very well. It is very, very effective, and it helps to actually clean off pimple and all. It's been a while I bought this one, and I bought about half a pack. It was 100 naira then, but I think it's about 200 now or 150. So I don't need too much because it's not the only thing that will be going into my face. So I'm just having scrabbles on my hand. So I'm going to rub in, especially into the sensitive spots. The sensitive spots are like more important. I'm not rubbing into every part of my face. I'm just going into my sensitive spots and I'm rubbing it in, especially places that I think are usually dry. So I'm going to let that sack in and dry up. So this is also a moisturizer, and immediately you would be feeling that your skin is, less peppery. It's no longer peppering you again. That feeling. I'm going to move it into my neck. My face feels like really, really whitish. So I'm going to go into my coconut oil. I'm going to go into just one pump, so just one pump, and I'm going to so for your daily routines, you can go into face creams and the likes. You can see it's like my face is like absorbing it like immediately, not leaving anything. So lastly, last but not the least, I'm going into vitamin E. This is the vitamin E capsule that I talked about the last before. So I'm just going to like pinch the head off. This is what it looks like. It is 15 naira per capsule. Oops. I'm just going to pinch the head off and oops. So mm. So with this, I'm going to massage my face. If so, usually I'll go into my face massage, the machine I forgot at home, using the ball and sockets face. This one usually, but then I forgot it, so I'm going to go into my hand and I'm going to massage in. So this is like the perfect time to move your face. So, so if you are doing this and it's not for yourself, you can also give like a shoulder massage. It helps to relax. So guys, last but not the least, I know I said last but not the least before, but this is actually the last but not the least, lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. Guys, if you go into blue light, you can see everything, every detail more of whatever it is that is remaining on your skin. And guys, you can see I still have like a little dots, but it is not as much as it was before. Believe me, I forgot to turn on the blue lights before I started, so the blue lights like just kind of pops you out like it just usually sort of, you know, reveals your secrets. Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know how you are feeling in the video. So also do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not joined the family yet, and also do not forget to hit the notification bells below to know when new videos goes out. Babes, till we meet again another day. I can now remove my cap and my hair is like mostly scattered already. So babes, till we meet again, I remain your girl, my humble self, Fehinbeauty.